Hello traders and investors, in the United States, and everywhere else, around the globe. Welcome to the Patrick and Stephanie Show. We truly appreciate your engagement with us. Please comment when you can do so. Let the show begin. Stephanie here. Our proprietary Market Algo forecasts the following trends, risk on, or risk off, for the upcoming trading week ending on November 18, 2022. Our full disclosure. This analysis is not investment advice. We are not investment advisors. Any financial information is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. The SPY, SPDR, S&P 500 ETF, is trending upward, plus 22.16, for the past week ending on November 11, 2022. Our proprietary Market Algo forecasts the following trends, risk on or risk off, for the upcoming trading week ending on November 18, 2022, risk on, bullish. The VIX, SPY correlation variance. SPY, QQQ, and copper. Risk off, or bearish trends for the upcoming trading week are as follows. VIX and WTI-crude oil. Keep in mind, volatility is still very much with us. Indeed, the bear market is still very much with us, as well. The global hyperinflation, the global supply chain dislocations, and of course, global drought, plus the wars, take your pick, Ukraine, Russia, China, all of these negative factors are certainly not helpful for the bull's case. Please note, concerning our VIX, SPY correlation variance metric. If the VIX is trending down, and the SPY is trending up, for the most recent week of trading, then and only then will our VIX, SPY correlation variance algo indicate a potential risk-on, bullish, trend for the upcoming week. This indication of a potential bullish trend, however, only happens, currently, on a very infrequent basis. A cautionary note to keep in mind, we are not yet seeing a confirmed bottom in the market. That could be a very long way off. The operative word being long. As Doug Casey said in a recent interview, we are in a chaotic period in global markets. Our conclusion is as follows. Remember that our S&P 500 market forecast is for the upcoming trading week only. This forecast does not in any way portend a long-term trend. So, that being said, our algo indicates that the bulls, at least for the week ahead, are now, once again, in control. One analyst shared that bear markets may have 7 bull runs during the course of a bear market. This most recent sucker rally would possibly be bull run number 4. We may have 3 more bull runs to go before the bear market has run its course. You have been forewarned. Swing traders and day traders will make money, the traders that are not nimble will be crushed, in our opinion. Keep in mind that a sucker rally can last for a prolonged period of time, during a bear market. In our opinion, we are entering a global depression, not so much a recession. What do you think? We are in agreement with other analysts, that the equity markets are completely disconnected from the reality of the collapsing economies of many countries around the planet. When we have a bullish week, it demonstrates, yet one more time, that Wall Street is oblivious to the pain being felt by Main Street. We do not think we have seen the bottom. The bottom could be many months or even years off. We always like to see at least a 3 or greater week period in which the market is in a bull trend, before we can determine a potential bottom for the market. Be careful in trading for the next 1 to 3 weeks, and more. It's a jungle out there. A late-breaking bit of news for everyone. Most recent geopolitical news for the week ending November 11, 2022. Breaking, November 11, 2020. This could potentially bring down the U.S. equity market, or not, depends on how much the mainstream media, MSM, covers this even up. Breaking news, Ukraine investments caught up in FTX, which is now crashing and almost worthless. Credit to Off-Grid Farming with Paul and Adrienne. URL for this awesome YouTube podcast: https://www.youtube.com/watch v=4i0wsm. It is reported that a money laundering scheme has been discovered. The Cliff Notes version is that funds that were to be used by Ukraine to obtain military weapons to fight the Russians were allegedly diverted to the crypto market. Funds were allegedly spent on buying crypto using the FTX crypto exchange, which has now filed for bankruptcy. Apparently, the money was to then be sent back to the U.S. to be sent to the Democrats, as in the DNC-Democratic National Committee, funds allegedly used to support a large number of Democrats that ran for various political offices in the U.S. It is alleged that this is in-your-face money laundering, to avoid compliance with campaign finance laws that prohibit donating more than a certain amount of financial donations to political candidates. Additional supporting URL is shared below. Dateline, November 11, 2022, Credit, Hal Turner Radio Show. World. Updated 11:34 a.m. Saturday, Ukraine military aid from USA was invested in crypto FTX by Ukraine. World. Hal Turner, November 11, 2022, hits 56,811. Go to this URL for more information. https://halturnerradioshow.com/index php/n/newspage/world/breaking news. Ukraine military aid from USA was invested in crypto FTX by Ukraine. Next week should be most interesting, indeed. Have an awesome week everyone. Patrick and Stephanie, signing off.